What is going on, family? Cribs here. Welcome back to an unboxing and first impressions video on Wednesday night. Saturdays, I'm going to start doing the reviews so I can spend a little time, more time, so I'm not so pressured and not so stressed to go somewhere and to get things done. Spend time on the website, spend time on the owners, on their labels, on the products, of the carrier oils, of the scent profile, feel and beard, you know, everything that needs to be said about these on a review. Spend a little more time so I can give you a little better idea of what I think. Wednesdays wasn't working because I've been missing my Bible study with my brothers here in La Grande on Wednesday nights, so that's why I'm swapping it to an unboxing. To basically, unboxings and first impressions are kind of quicker because you don't have to dive anything. You just start ripping and tearing and showing that stank. So we're going to sit here and we're going to do that tonight. To all of my faithful subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for coming back and chilling with me and hanging in and giving me that love. You guys are amazing. And I truly love you and I'm truly proud of you. To anybody that is just here for the first time, hello. My name is Mike Cribs. I have an Instagram channel. It's _swagfather_, and I'm known as Swag in the bearded community. If you're into unboxings, first impressions, beard product reviews of different companies that I get, hats, combs, and Jesus Christ, you know, faith, positivity, love, then welcome. Go ahead and write down below here, there is a subscribe button that you can, tab that you can push. Right next to it is a reminder bell. If you want to be reminded when I have new comment come out, hit that bell. There's a share button if you'd like to share this with some people. That'd be awesome and very appreciated. Leave a comment. Always leave a comment. A lot of things can happen there. You can tell me some products that you know that you really dig and that you've been seeing that you want me to try maybe. I'd love that. Always looking for new things to talk about, new things to try. Tell me how your day is. If you need some prayer, some questions that you have, you know, some good ideas for me to have. And then if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, smash that like button. And if you don't like it, hit that thumbs down. That's okay as well. I've gotten a few. But now I'm going to get into some stank for you. Which one do I want to do first? Let's do one that I have done before. And I will actually have it linked up above here somewhere of a video of one of my recent videos on this company, and that is going to be on Kingsman Premium Products. About, I don't know, a month ago, one of my Christian brothers at church didn't like one of the scent profiles that I purchased for him, that is for his wife for Christmas. It was a little too strong for him, so I gave him, look at this. Look at that box and that presentation. That is just amazing. One of the best ones out there. Join the Kingsmen. So, I gave him my holy grail in the oil and the balm. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but hey, I can always get more. And he loves it. Set that over there. It took me a while to get hold of the balm due to the fact that he ran out of his oud. He didn't have it for a while. That's number 2. Throw that down there. Isn't that amazing? The oil, awesome. And then the always amazing Kingsman decal. So this is an oud. I think it is Colombian oud, and it is one of the most refreshing, I would have to say, legitimate, all around oud scent profile that you can get. Top notch. Look at that label. Frosted bottle. Dropper top. Then, of course, got his balm. It's a 1 ounce oil, 2 ounce balm. You know what I'm going to say. Garbage. And these are not the screw top. These are the pull. Let me show you that. Ah, smells just like the oil. Fantastic. One of my favorite ouds. Such an original oud scent, man. If you're really looking for what oud smells like and that oud stank is, get you some Holy Grail. That'll set the platform for you to know how to pick it out in the other companies that have these scent profiles. There's all different kinds of ouds, but we'll get into that a different day. I think that'd make for a really good video. The different kind of ouds that are out there and how they're used and different scent profiles. Next one I got is one that is just released, which I have some of their oils and I think one of their balms. Let me see if I can get that up there. Wanted Maine. They just released their butters. And I've been talking to this fine gentleman for quite a while about some butters. And he sent me some. And I'm excited to see what they're about. Garbage. Let's see here what we got. So we got a letter. I couldn't fit a pack of Oreos or a glass of milk in here, but hopefully this butter will make up for that. These will release next week, which they just released. I will let you know a date when I firm things up. Let me know what you think. Thanks again, brother Devin. I appreciate it. I'm sorry it's a little bit late on the unboxing, but who cares? Let's get rocking into this stuff. Oh, I got the Bay Rum. Hydrating and extra thick. THICC. No labels around it, at least the one I got. But these were basically before they came out. Oh my gosh. Check that out. Whipped. Oh. Wow, that will be a great nighttime. Let me show you. Let's just get this finger in there. Ooh. My room is really cold. It's like a freezer in here. I keep it this way on purpose. It's like a big refrigerator. The Swag Studio is. Oh man, that's amazing. Ooh. And then Nightfall. Amazing scent, y'all. So this is the one I'm going to be testing for the next few days to come out with a video on Saturday. I have his oils and balm right down here on the bottom shelf. I don't think I have it in Bay Rum. I may, but I definitely got it in the Nightfall, but that's okay. I'll be rocking this and I'll come out with a review. This will be what I'm reviewing on Saturday. Awesome job. Can't wait to get into that stuff. Everything will be linked down below too about these companies and what to look for. I may have a discount code for you on both of these. Maybe all three. I'll reach out to the companies and see. The next one is a brand new release as well that just came out. Ooh. And it came all the way from Canada. Grzzly. I'm glad Nikki was home today to actually sign for this, or I wouldn't have got this today. This just came today. I told him as soon as he came out with an oud, I would pounce all over it, and he came out with 2 of them. excited. And of course, I had to buy a lid. Yeah. Oh, guys. I'm a lid head. Look at that lid. That is amazing. Let me see who makes this one. Well, I don't see a label on it, but it's a nice flat bill. We try it on. So we'll just rock that for a little while. Business card, Grzzly. Chef is the owner's name. Amazing. There's everything down there you'll need. That'll go up in my Walmart pile. Oh, give me that sweet, sweet, sweet stuff. Get that out of here. Ah, cool. Give me a new one. I don't know if I'm supposed to show you this or not. Oh, that smells good. Them little droppers. Oh well, I'll show you. Who cares? If I'm not supposed to, chef, I'm sorry. The Night Platinum. Maybe that's one of his new releases. I don't know. I'll have to get on the website. Of course, a card. Bitch, I'll get it out of the box out of the way. I've got a pile of boxes back here I need to break down and get out of the way. So I got my Grizzly snapback headwear, white on black. He's got 3 options. And then the King. Let's just see what this food stank is all about. Got it, the oil, balm, and the butter. First time purchase from this company. Nice. Ooh. Looks like I may have got a freebie in here. No decal? What the heck is going on here? Alright, so let's see what we've got here, y'all. Freaking garbage. Good Christmas. Gosh. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. That's not one I ordered. That'll be a good one. You know what? The heck with it. Let's dive in here. Yeah. This scent profile, guys. Let me show you. Grizzly Beard butter. I'll show you the profile. Oud, coconut, tonka bean, cedar, and amber. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Look at that. Sorry. Oh my heavens. Gone. Wow, I have never smelled anything like that. Oh, that oud is just top with that coconut. That amber. Holy jamoles. Tonka bean, cedar. Wow. Wow. Huh. Kind of funky. Beard balm. So, and this is the label. Handwritten. I've never gotten anything from this company before. Never seen that. Little hole all the way down. That'll be a nice medium hold, I'll bet you. That scent is just intoxicating. Good gravy. Okay. So it come in this bottle, which I do believe is his platinum. His new platinum line. Let me just get back here so you can see that. Oud coconut. It's got a tag right here. Tonka bean and amber. And I don't think it's on. Shake before use, directions. I love those labels. Tells you a little bit about it. And this will probably be my next. I'm probably going to end up getting some more. Let's get this oil out here. Love these bottles. Black. Oh my Lord. That is so good. I'm going to warm that up. Wow. Guys, that is an intoxicating, completely different oud than I have ever smelled with that coconut in there. So sweet, so deep and so rich. I know this is an unboxing, but I love this scent profile. Brother, you hit it right on the head with this. Good job. Great job. So that's what I've got for you, family. Three amazing companies. You know, the oud is it's almost like the Kingsman oud. I mean, it's with coconut, cedar, and amber in it. It's phenomenal. Perfect. It seems like it's going to last quite a while, too. I can't wait to get this in beard either, but that's coming next. Great job. Great lid. So, guys, I got to get ready. Go to my Bible study. Love on the brothers. Further the kingdom of God. Absolutely. So far, first impressions, 100% go get. This is going to be my test, and I'll give you a review on Saturday of Wanted Man. This is going to be awesome as well. And I've already used their products. Amazing products. Amazing fresh, cologne-y scent profiles is what these are. And then you know the Holy Grail. You know the Holy Grail. Absolutely go get. Yeah. It smells like the same oud scent profile that's in the Platinum of Grizzlies. That's in this. That's in the Holy Grail. Same oud scent profile. That's amazing. So that's what I've got for you, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. First impressions. More to come. I'll see you on Saturday for my review on Wanted Man. And God bless. I love you and I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Really makes a difference in people's lives. Peace out, y'all. Clicker time. Nope, it ain't going to cut out, so I'm just going to go.